Today is this February 18, 1 o'clock 42 minutes. It's Asian market is opening. I still keep continue working to set up my layout to MT5, and this layout changing from 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour. This set you have to look for the fight where they are. That's we, test 1, test 2. We're starting from monthly, looking for weekly. Monthly is here, weekly is here. Where we are right now is very up high in the sky. The buyer is too many. They need a seller to buy it from them. Where is the seller? Weekly, still seller moving down to the level where it's SLR, and in the bottom of the range it's supposed to go buy and move it up to the next level, or even further to the top side of the range. Here we are weekly, and we're looking at daily. Where is the daily? The daily is here, and this big green is this one, and it's touching this guy who's starting it. If he means to go through this guy, maybe the direction is changed. So far we're looking, they put into the fight's first leg coming up, and here of the daily is this here of the 4 hours. 4 hours only green coming, and are they gonna stop coming since they come this far? Reach to the guy who's starting it, the daily, they turn, but the buyer from the lower time frame 4 hour is also thinking they are gonna get through here, so they take V formation here. The first test didn't get through. The price not good price yet. They came down lower to get a better price, and the way they get down look quite the same, strong. So it's nothing gonna move anywhere yet. So we moving down to 1 hours. This is 2 hours already. 2 hours, 2 candles. Asian market starting, and there's a new here. The new 0.2 o'clock. The new is searching up, and 3 big green candle. That's 15 minutes. Are they gonna coming back? The seller here on the daily, their territory, the buyer need to get through it, and they show this sign of opening market, strong volume, everything. And look in the detail, where is the seller? The seller tried first time and then get bridge V formation. Where is the V formation? So 4 hours, daily 4 hours. This one, okay, this one is this one, and then coming to opening a market, price moved down a little bit. Here's to the detail under the MA, all of the MA above them. So the first and second candle it show more detail here. Just the green. I want to go look at this 2 o'clock new. What are they? I maybe look quick to the toolbox and calendar. No news. I can't. Okay. 2 o'clock is about here. There's nothing on this forecast. So where is the 2 o'clock? Maybe I have to go to another website, but I have no time for that. Let's continue. Where am I? And my recording. What happened? Oh no. Hang. Everything is hanging. Never see this happen to me before. What the hell? Oh no. It's still recording. Alright. We go more back to my charge. Okay, back to alright. We're back to the charge. I think this can be news from, let's see if it's new from here, investing.com. 2 o'clock. There is no 2 o'clock here. Today, new day, Fed Wallace speak now. 4 o'clock Aussie news. Interest rate decision. This is could be an impact now. And RBA monetary policy statement. Not, don't know. And 8 o'clock at market London opening average earning index bonus could be good. Impacting GBP London Open. GBP is on the news. CPI tomorrow. CPI hits ICP French Europe CPI 10:30 also speaking. 11 German CEW current condition. Euro news. GBP news tomorrow. CAT news come at CPI come at New York Open. So tomorrow many news. It's gonna be a busy impact. New. Keep eye on that. Let's get back to here. And this 15 minutes is searching up the first leg. Wrap it around will be just 2 candles here. and 2 o'clock news. No idea what's that. This is this February 18, 2025. I have left off this morning at Asian market that USD JPY charge. Now it is London market has already opened 4 minutes. London now in London 7 o'clock 56 minutes. German time 8 o'clock 56 minutes. German is faster than New York, 1 hour. So right now London is already open and I'm at USD JPY synchronized sequence of monthly, weekly. So just take a quick look, where is the direction and where are we on the universe. Weekly we are here, trace to here, daily is down here, is this one down here, trace to here, and monthly 4 hour detail for this and this. Compare who is stronger. We are at the bottom of the range on 4 hours, but on weekly we are very high up in the sky, but we have to fight somewhere in the range before we take a move. So tracing USJPY is still USJPY is strong, but the AI say US dollar is weak for the moment. But today with USJPY it is moving at the market London open. USD JPY moving up. I can't wait to see the sequence of the JPY group. Let's go right into it. If it give me JPY a whole picture of every pair across the board. So we take the 15 minutes. Let's see. We are at the opening market. I like to see the 15-minute react to the strong volume of people who buy and sell at the opening market. USJPY 15 minutes open, and who is in the lead? USJPY, CAD JPY, Aussie JPY, GBP JPY, Swiss franc JPY, Euro JPY. This is XAU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I had XAU up in the sky just to check Bitcoin moving down. I'm still stalking all of these pairs, so JPY across the board, it look like they gain back power. Those guys, JPY start to let go the gas and pull back before they push everything down. JPY now everything up. Let's look in the big sequence picture. So this is JPY, US JPY. Let's go through quickly. US JPY, Swiss franc JPY. They're pulling back after. Look again, US JPY pulling back for make a better price. This is the yesterday high. Not yet they come to touch the yesterday high. And that's it. I need to put some alert. Okay, I hope it's alert me. This is yesterday high. Touch and let me know. Switch from JPY. This is the possible problem. Touch and let me know. Where? Alert. Touch and let me know. Approximately. Cat JPY are watching, stalking. Touch and let me know. Alert. See this? The last yesterday high point. I want it to alert when this come. Euro JPY. All is test 1, test 2 pull back, not able to really bridge, pull back in for the test, and the test still not finish, still perform to set in set 1. Maybe this is the, if this is a set 1, if this is a set 2, they should be running, or at least fight somewhere here and show at the new impact at any time. We haven't looked at the news on investing.com yet, so let's see. This is the lower area of yesterday, and the bridge 15. Oh, this is 1 hour. That's everyone in 15 minutes. So we go to sequence of 15 minutes, so we don't throw off of any mistake. So now it's okay. It's pulling back. This is highest from yesterday pivot point. I want to touch here. If it's like to teasing and make up to here, unless if it's touch here, I will be interesting to look at. So I put in here. Okay, that's so far every pair moving up, pulling back for watch pair. Euros JPY pulling back. Next Aussie JPY, are they gonna pulling back? This is the highest point of yesterday and the lowest point today. They're still inside of this range, no up, no down, no direction. But this morning is, since Asian market open, Aussie seem to be searching up until right now market opening. So let's keep going to the next pair, Aussie JPY in the sister pair to New Zealand. How do they look in the sequence? Up, down, up, almost range. New Zealand is more fluctuate, it's more messy. Only start to stop to make a sideways for people to read. This is the highest point. Day before today they bridge out and then have to maintain this ground, but seem to be the buyer coming strong today. So I have to go further on GBP JPY. It look like it's penetrate through the high of yesterday, and this is the maybe the lead pair GBP JPY today. What happened to the new? We have to look at it. So if you come here, I'll be interesting to take a peek. And this is, if you go down here, I will check for the correlation. Bitcoin, just a quick look. Bitcoin is penetrate down the lower yesterday and pull back. Do they pull back for some pattern of channel up or channel down or sideways market? So far, strong equilibrium. Both parties strong power fighting here at the market opening. could be something. Bitcoin again. If it's break down through here, which is quick look at 1 hour, this is the line. I'll be putting in a line here, insert object. This is my alert. Why can't I say if it break here and if Bitcoin is mean too strong, this price they need to reach, and if it's reach here, I'll be interesting to look at. So 15 minutes. XAU USD high up in the sky. This is the rebel area. Day before yesterday they break through this level 1 and they managed to touch this guy, and if you gonna touch this guy early stage, I want to see and stalking you by putting this alert here. So there, or if you pull back low enough to touch this guy, I'll be interesting to watch. But I put alert here. I never look at oil, the oil monthly here in this area. Test 1, test 2, dashing out, coming back. That means they interest to put the price down, but it's stabilized on the sideways market in this area, which is interesting me to just control this inside this area. Don't let me miss out when you are inside this area. If you're gonna break out, I want to be noticed. Okay, monthly, weekly, still down, not break out. This is the bottom of my interesting area. Touch here again, I'll be interesting. Alright, for the oil, just here, they're almost there, but when they touch, I want to see. By the time I see, probably it's many days. So where am I? Okay, let's go back to all the sequence. Now we are checking the JPY movement. What I just said, GBP is the interesting one, but beside, most of every pair are up in tension at the buying at the opening market, and I want to check one last thing before I go to leave this chart on JPY. Let's see what they say on economic calendar investing.com. Today no bank, US open again. Wall Street speaking today at 1 o'clock midnight. All seem to be actual for interest rate is lower than expect. The forecast not previous, so Aussie could be dropped by this new, and RBA policy statement. 4 o'clock. And who at Monday, at Tuesday, London Open is GBP a whole. Today is GBP. That's why GBP is more than the others on JPY. That's why I noticed this, and now it's explaining 5.5 to actual 6.6 on average earning index. CPI should be around Wednesday. Yeah, it's CPI Tuesday on today. Mainly CPI thing, economic things. Employment change 35 to 100k. 35k to 100. GBP is looking good today. Unemployment, it should be less. Remain the same. 4.4 unemployment rate. Previous and actual. For the French CPI, reduced from 0.2 to 0.1, but still green because it's higher than I expect, which is minus 0.1. French HICP looking bad, so it's more green here. Okay, both Euro and GBP. The next new will be in 10:30, 11 on German Euro and Euro Group. At New York CPI, CAT, and US speaking. So keep eye on that. Today at 19, Fed Vice Chair for Supervision Bear speak. This could be also some impact the market. Let's go back to my chart. This is US JPY. Let's go back to check Bitcoin thing. Where is Bitcoin still going down? I still in the money. Look at my Bitcoin. Let's make the chart bigger. Okay, this is where my almost take profit approaching. If this go up here to test, we'll see, and I will book my trailing stop loss here. I will put it just above here. Okay, so if it's take me out, I have small benefit for paying on my holding things through the weekend. So let's go, and let's see, where is the main? Oh, the main is here. Let's see what it had become in Aussie. Still at Aussie. CAT. What happened? We are in the sequence across the Aussie pair. Who is taking the lead? Window shopping, 15 minutes. I think we already go through here. I'm not gonna spend the time here. No, I will go more. Aussie 15, CAT 15. We was in JPY 15. Switch one. I want to see switch one 15 minutes. What's happening? Are they hot? And the latest one is GBP and what was Euro. They have the news activate today. I like to see that later. But now we check on the morning switch fund, 15 minutes across the Okay, Swiss franc across the board. US Swiss franc look like opening market effect on Swiss franc. US Swiss franc, US is dropping. Euro Swiss franc, Euro is dropping. According to the correlation, they start every pair is pulling back if there was it the buyer market. If this is a buyer market, belong to the buyer market across the board, Swiss franc is being strong because Aussies is drop. Swiss franc JPY is up, only a little bit pull back. Get ready to move the price up. We have to watch out on that. Catch Swiss franc is also drop on 15 minutes, pulling back or drop. Look at the side of the candle. GBP is the new for GBP. Why GBP has drop, or if this just a pullback. New Zealand Swiss franc is drop. According to sister pair also drop. So Swiss franc is getting strong. Let's see if Swiss franc is getting somewhere on the higher time frame. We go up into daily. Swiss franc daily, what happened is the above all highest point is the day, and above the day is the weekly. But I cannot just go to the weekly, it's so high up. So far I want to just check daily first. So USD Swiss franc, Euro Swiss franc sideways. Daily is sideways pullback at the bottom of the range. Looking good for US Swiss franc. US is dropped today, and if it's going to still further drop, that's the question in mind. Euro Swiss franc is the Euro and GBP's news today. Keep in mind they are in the middle of the range of Euro Swiss franc. Could this be a channel up and down? But it's look for me it's squeezing. Euro is being squeezed. GBP Swiss franc up on the top of the range. Very dangerous to buy. It could be drop, so we have to looking for Swiss franc strong, and then this GBP can be pushing down. But it's the GBP news today. Keep eye on Aussie Swiss franc. Aussie Swiss franc is challenge to this guy, and the daily is waiting for the decision making. So far the green thing, buyer coming strong, so there is no seller. When there is no seller, what happened? Jack up the price. See if they jacking up Aussie, pricing up Aussie Swiss franc is in the in the hotspot. We look at the Swiss franc come first. Swiss franc is coming back or not. It's pulling back for Swiss franc, and then if Swiss franc getting weak, it will be put in test one in this. But if this is the daily is pulling back for the really idea of the daily to check and step push down the price, daily Swiss franc if it's weak. But Swiss franc is strong today. Look like Swiss franc will reach to this area where I have my line to alarming when it's come there. Cat Swiss franc. Cat Swiss franc is more likely already put in the first channel. This is channel. Look like it. They have to pull back if it's really channel. When they're pulling up, can be something accordingly. if switch trunk is weak. But will it's weak? That's the question. Switch trunk seems to be 15 minutes strong across the board. If switch trunk is strong, cats must be down. So it's always down. If cat is strong, maintain this area for me to see if you can maintain this ground, or else you come here, touch my line and alert me to have a look accordingly. GBP switch trunk, as I said, GBP and Euro could be have a new effect, could going up. If this going up in sequence of correlate, what will happen? Who is the best possibly move first? The highest in the sky, all I can see so far is nothing but GBP is about to bridge out this cellular area. So it's the thing GBP switch trunk could be monitoring. New Zealand switch trunk. New Zealand, Australia is the sister pair. They're trying to go up. Okay, I put already alert in there. Bitcoin is at the, I have wrong sequence. 4 hours. This is like my take profits down here. 4 hours I have to put into daily to get the same sequence of all daily time frame. Daily is pushing down, still no sign of the buyer, and they reach to the area where my take profit is, and it's not yet, but so far no sign of the buyer yet on the daily. So that's switch trunk daily so far. What happened to switch trunk then is still on the level of key issue level. If they are gonna respond for those who struggling up to reach the level of the daily. I haven't checked the monthly yet. I assume that daily is gonna smash these guys down when they come to the appropriate price. It's the price war. If it's too cheap, the big player will not interesting. Only those who scalping, who trying to make a small distance of moving. So far, if this switch trunk, all of this here, USD and all of these other pair come before switch trunk. If all of these pair going down or not, look at briefly. It's not. It's just square. It's just range. Who is on the top of the range is about to break out. If this not GBP, because GBP a good news today. Why should it pulling back? If they're pulling back, it's only could be touch this this guy area to make a channel, pull back, go up, channel down, pull back, go up, or even train up if they respect this area. But if it's channel down a little bit deeper to touch the MA, here 2 MA, that's why not I'll open it bigger. So this is, you can see clearly they are on the edge of tops of the range. If they want to go channel a little bit down, they have to go break here first and channel down, fight around here, struggling channel up, and then maybe sideways after the channel and then move it up. But before that, this guy has to alert me. He is still not taking out, and even he taking out, this guy is still waiting. So it's like a messy level that you have to deal in the headache to give you problems. So that's where my daily I put it back to the daily. Now we can see Tuesday, February 13. We check the news. There is GBP news. Look like GBP good news. I'm checking this before and we get through again quickly. Euro green. I don't want to stay here for so long time. The last new update is Euro new economic sentiment ZEW. I don't know what it got. It got rate, so I don't know what it is. If I want to go through here in detail I can, but I don't have time for that so far. We go to the chart. Euro and GBP. More green than the rate anyway. GBP get one rate here. We'll see what it act to the chart. And back to this JPY across the board. 15-minute chart across the board. So US JPY pull back from this London market open. It is pulled back according to the Asian market. They going up. London open according to the news and everything. I don't know. They pull back. Which one is deep pullback? Which one is not deep pullback? Let's go. Look, more or less are the same. CAD and USD always go together. Where are okay CAD and USD in this box here? They pull back. AUS, USD and CAD. And then Euro and GBP. Look at this. Are they twins or not? Only more complicated here. How did they pull back? Deep or not deep? More or less about the same. The way they pull back. GBP, JPY pull back more sharp. No, choppy. A little bit better than Euro. Who is the shallow pullback? This Aussie JPY does pull back but not deep, which is I call respect the guy who started. This one, if the guy started here, he got bridge, pull back for the put in some decision to make. CAD JPY pull back, respect this area. US JPY pull back, respect this area. So all of this, if US CAD Aussie mean to go up, this is possible, better chance, because they pull back not so deep to destroy this guy who started, who responsible at first level. As they put test one and come to the test this guy for the second time to see what happened. That's what they got here now. So that's JPY, Euro JPY. Deep pull back deep, possible, mean that channels channel to become, because they not respect this. They bridge and will channel it down like low low, lower high. And then low low must be lower than this guy. Perhaps test this guy for low low. So deep pullback. I bet Swiss franc JP buy, pull back, kill this guy, pull back, but still respect this area. Let's switch from. Let's go back to my other chart. US Swiss franc here. Sequence in the daily on Swiss franc, which is I've been there before. High time frame. Where we go next? Haven't see the goal. We see the goal. Here the goal. What happened to the goal? Here the goal. Monthly. I rather to change a different setup. I want 1 minute to go together with 5 minutes. My 5 minutes, so you can see the compare easily. And these 5 minutes will be 15 minutes together with my 1 hours. This sequence I prefer changing. My 4 hours go together with my weekly. Is that right? No. 1 hour must go to my 4 hours, sorry. 1 hour. 15 minutes go to 1 hour. 4 hours go to daily. Where is daily? And weekly go together with monthly. Yeah, easy to look from now on. Monthly is here. We are here in the universe. We are on the top, and we cast it. We bring this just here to here where we are on the weekly. Weekly we add this ding here, one red candles show here a whole things. So this is where we are, a whole universe for weekly. And daily is somewhere. This top will be this one, and bridge will be here, and there we are, the line of price synchronizing. So monthly is still no sign of stopping to take a break from higher time frame. No sign, only inching up, train run, because every pullback respect this guy, but this one is no high, pull back very strongly compared to how many candle here, and this is like 3 candle, show the intention, possibly something happening, and the buyer start to be worried, what happening, it's not perform here at 4 hour chart, it's like struggling. They daily no sign of anything much, but here a sign of struggling, doesn't perform for the buyer. We cast this to here, just only here, bring it to here. You see how easy to look? We know where we are in the universe. At the center, test this level, the first boundary. Alright, get back to XAUUSD. This is like